So we're back here, we just have our finish line to do. It's the last box. We are going to build on top of existing one and finish it, and it's just one box left, and that's it. Okay, so we're going to finish off our last box. So we're just going to grab to the existing one here. I think that's a cardinal, right? Makes that sound. Okay, so we're going to just attach, and there's only 3 loops wide, so you're just going to come to your next one. You'll have to weave in your stuff later. And then your connection spot to the side back loop is there. And it's just 3 loops wide, that's it. So this one's gonna be really quick. So you will notice every time that it's really thin like this. When you have the warped concept, it's really kind of fun. So I think it'll keep your mental interest. And we know it's only 4 rows tall. I have nowhere more to go. So I have 3.5 done, and I do a bind off, and that will complete your square. So just stop at the connection spot right there, and now we're ready to consider a border if we feel like it. And that'll be in the next video.